Hi everyone. Today we're going to show you our very first demo of the version of our autonomous AI agent we built using Hermes Agent. So what is Hermes Agent? So Hermes Agent is an autonomous agent developed by News Research, which is licensed under MIT. Now, if you heard OpenClaw, KimiClaw, these are some of the popular autonomous agents where autonomous AI agents can run tasks on your device or on premise or on cloud using VPS or virtual private server. Now, in my case, I initially set this up on my device, but I decided to set up a VPS or virtual private server so that I can use my Hermes agent 24/7. So what I did was I used Hostinger as my VPS because it can already support both OpenClaw and also Hermes Agent for my VPS needs. Now, this is the website. You can actually install this via terminal, or you can download the desktop version on Mac OS, Windows, or even on Linux. So just need to install it via their terminal as well. Now, this is the desktop version of the Hermes Agent. As we can see, I already had sessions with the Hermes agent like a couple of days ago. So I built my own Hermes agent that will serve as my AI concierge or executive assistant. So I've connected my Hermes agent on my APIs on Google Cloud for using Google Drive and also um, using Telegram. So it has access to my Gmail, to my Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and even in my Google Calendar. So it can help me manage my calendar, my inbox, and so on and so forth. Now, I'm going to show you this example. So as we can see on the screen, I've been interacting with this agent for more than 2 days already. So since I have been testing this, in Telegram, initially you can actually use the voice mode, but sometimes or for some reason, it changes to the video mode. So if you notice, I can actually turn this on for demo purposes or for as an example. In addition to that, you need to also be mindful how your device is running. So I would suggest for you to at least a lot more RAM on your computer. So to ensure that it doesn't slow your task down. Okay, right now, since it's for some reason it's not working, but as we can see, I did the voice recording and my Hermes agent was able to under okay there okay so there you go. For some reason it's not showing the button where you can uh, do a video voice recording. It's showing the video recording, but Hermes agent was able to follow my instructions earlier, so it did pull up my resume. Like it says here, got it. Here's a summary of my resume, which is this resume. And then let's go back to my Hermes agent. Okay, so it did summarize my experience, my key skills, my key projects. And then what we're going to do is we're going to show you another a demo. So what I'm going to do is I am going to ask, can you write, can you directly write a draft email to my Gmail account into this thread titled, then do not send it. I just need to check if the content is in my draft. Okay, so let's see. As we can see, how will you know if Hermes is working? So it should sing typing and then it's pulling up the skills. Just for future reference, the good thing about Hermes Agent, it's actually it's learning um as you interact continuously. It's similar to like frontier models or AI models that where you can actually enable its memory. So it learns more about you, your tone, your context, and at the same time, it automatically builds the skill needed depending on your instruction, unlike with other autonomous AI agents like OpenClaw that you need to manually build those skills. Now, skills are actually like prompt instructions, but these are somewhat like you run a certain command and it already recognizes what skill or what instruction that you need. And usually these are available to um, Claude or any other similar models like OpenClaw or Hermes Agent. Now, it's saying here that it's giving me like the Python command. So if you're a software developer or like a programmer for Python, then you can actually see this script. And then since I already placed a strict guardrail here, so what happens is every time that I ask Hermes Agent to do something, especially if it's something on my device or on my cloud platforms like my Gmail, my Google Drive, my calendar, is it's going to show me what's going to do and then ask permission whether I should allow it once, I should always allow it, or if I should deny the permission or show the session. So for now, I'm going to just click allow once. And by the way, you can also simultaneously interact it. Let's say if you're already using your if you have Telegram inside your phone or on your tablet. So it's saying here that approve one. So as you can see, I'm using Telegram for this one. So it's running simultaneously. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow once. Okay, so let's just kind of a bit slow, but it should be running. So it's saying it's already approved. Now it's saying here it's done by the draft. So let's see if my Hermes agent did explicitly follow my instruction. Okay, so let's go to the draft. Okay, sorry. So as we can see, it's already in the draft, so I can see my draft message. Okay, so it's saying here, thank you for confirming my registration. I'm thrilled that about the events file. As mentioned previously, I have submitted my speaker application. I wanted to kindly check the status whether any additional information would be helpful to review the process. Now, what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to remove this, edit this, and then insert my signature. Oops, sorry. I actually chose the wrong signature. Oops, I think it should not be. Let's see. So let's try this. Okay, there you go. Okay, so I'm going to leave it as it is and let's continue with the agent. Okay, so I already reviewed the draft and made a small edit. Can you send it now? Okay, so it's saying here that it's already typing, so let's go ahead and wait. Okay, now it's showing us the Python command, so let's just allow it once. It's saying here that approval has been resolved. Okay, so it's kind of like a bit slow. Okay, there you go. So I had to use my phone. Okay, so it's saying here it's been sent Okay, what we're going to do is let's refresh. Let's refresh my Gmail. Okay, so it's kind of a bit slow. Sorry, just need to turn this off. Okay, we can see that the draft is empty right now. So let's go to the email itself to confirm. Okay, so there you go. It's sent. As we can confirm, it says here 0 minutes. Okay, so this is the end of our very first brief demo of the Hermes agent that we built. So we're going to show you more upcoming demos soon. So please support our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon and following our social media channels on LinkedIn and also on Facebook as well. Just type in DocypherLabs so that we can provide you more valuable content. That's all. Thank you very much.